Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with a late reveal of my May Splendies. I've already received a notification by email that June has already shipped, so I thought it would probably be wise for me to go ahead and film. So this package should actually have a fourth pair for this month because in the month of April, Splendies was having a social media contest, and I was actually contacted about a fourth pair, so I'm going to check and see if the fourth one is in there. Here is this month's package, and we're going to dive right in. I'm catching a hint of blue, so let's see. And it looks like they got the fourth pair in here. So the first pair is a pair of just kind of gray, neutral colored thongs. It's more like heather gray. They're looking white under the camera lights, but they are a little bit of heather gray. And these are regular $12. So here's the first pair with a little bow detailing and a little bit of a gathering here on the side, and then all around the top as well as the actual thong in the back has some of that lace detailing. So there's the first pair. The second pair are white with red lace, and these are just kind of a full brief. These are by Wilshire Montana Intimates, and the regular price for these, or the manufacturer suggested retail price for these, is also $12. So that's that pair. The next pair is a beautiful purple plummy color, and these are by French Affair Company, and they are manufacturer suggested retail price of $24. So I love that bow on the front, and then a little bit of the lace detail here around the hip area, and then the back is actually solid at the top and then lace there down to the crotch. So I really like these. I love this color. It's a pretty color. And then the fourth pair is by, I guess this is just the Splendies brand, and these are manufacturer suggested retail price of $12 as well. And it's just this blue pair. It has a little bit of a print and lace detailing. So there's the print. So only one pair of thongs this month, which is fine for me. But these are the four pair. So just these again. This has really been a fun subscription. Have no plans of canceling it anytime soon. It's always fun to see what I get, and it has helped to overhaul my underwear drawer. So thanks to Splendies for recognizing my social media post in the month of April. I am going to thoroughly enjoy my fourth pair of undies for this month and look forward to seeing what comes in the June package. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would ask that you kindly do so before you head out. Also, if you're interested or in need of overhauling your underwear drawer, then check the information box for information on the Splendies subscription box. It's extremely affordable. There's a discount code down below. Thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.